Good evening, students. Today, let us see the topic basics of counting. Okay, it comes under Unit 3. Okay, so Unit 3 name is elementary combinatorics. So, the number of elements in the set x is given by n of x or cardinality of x. Okay. That is studied as the cardinality of x or n of x. It denotes the number of elements in the set x. Okay. Next, to see the sum rule. If S1, S2, S3, and so on are disjoint sets of the set X whose union is also X, then the cardinality of X is equals to uh, the cardinality of S1 plus cardinality of S2 plus and so on cardinality of Sn. So it means the number of elements. Okay. Now let us see about pack of cards. So pack of cards can be divided into four types. One is hearts, spades, diamonds, and the last one clubs. And in each category there will be 13 cards, namely king, queen, jack, ace, and numbers from 2 to 10. Now let us see an example problem on playing cards. So in how many ways can we draw a heart or a spade from an ordinary deck of playing cards? Okay, so how many hearts or how many spades can be drawn from a ordinary deck of playing cards? Okay, so uh, playing cards can be divided into four categories: clubs, spades, hearts, diamonds. He is asking about hearts and spades. So there will be 13 hearts and 13 spades. Okay, so number of ways will be 13c1 plus 13c1. It will be 13 plus 13 and it is equals to 26. Okay, now the number of ways that a card drawn is either a heart or an ace. Okay, so there will be 13 hearts and there will be 4 ace, and an ace can be heart also. So in common there will be one card. So the number of ways will be 13 plus 4 minus 1 is equals to 16, and it is based on the principle of inclusion and exclusion, that is n of a union b equals to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. In common you will have one card, a card that is both heart and ace. Now the next question is number of cards, number of ways a card is drawn, so that the card is from 2 to 10. Okay, so a card is drawn from a pack of cards, and what is the number of ways so that the card is from 2 to 10. Okay, so the numbered cards from 2 to 10 will be 4. There will be 1 2 in heart and 1 2 in diamond, one will be in spade and one will be in club. Okay, for 2 there will be 4 cards, and for 3 there will be 4 cards, and so on. For 10 there will be 4 cards. Okay, so the total possible ways are 4c1 plus 4c1 and so on 4c1, and this is equals to 4 plus 4 plus 4 and so on up to 9 times. It is 9 into 4 and it will be 36. Okay, so next question is in how many ways a a card drawn from the pack of cards, so that it will be a number card or king. Okay, there will be 4 kings and uh, there will be 36 numbered cards. Okay, so cards can be divided into 4 categories. In each category there will be numbers such as 2 to 10, so that so 4 categories, it will be 36 cards. So 36 numbers card plus 4 king cards, so totally it will be 40 cards. Okay, the next one, two dice are rolled. So in how many ways you get the sum of 4 or sum of 8 when two dice are rolled? Okay, so the possibilities for sum 4 is, So 1 3 1 3 means on the first dice it is representing 1, on the second dice it is 3. 2 2 means first dice 2, second dice 2. 3 1 means first dice 3, second dice 1. So these are all the possibilities, so that the sum of the two dices is 4. So 1 3 is one combination, the other one is 2 2, the other one is 3 1. So let us see the chances for 8. Okay, so the possibilities for sum 8 when two dice are rolled is 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3, 6 2. Okay, so for 4 there are for sum 4 there are 3 chances, and for sum 8 there are 5 chances. So 3 plus 5 it is equals to 8. Okay, so the next question is, in how many ways can we get an even sum? So two dice are rolled, in how many ways you can get an even sum? So even sum, the even numbers are, when two dice are rolled, the possible even numbers are 2 4 6 8 10 12. Okay, so and for even sum the chances are 1 1 1 3 1 5 and so on 6 6. Okay, so there are totally 18 chances. For all those chances the sum is even, so the answer is 18. Okay, so next one, mm, how many ways can we get a sum of 8 when two indistinguishable dice are rolled? Okay, indistinguishable means you cannot differentiate between the two dices. So previous examples they are distinguishable dice, that means they are of different colors. Okay, in this problem, in the example 3, they are indistinguishable dices, so it cannot be differentiated. So in order to get sum 8, the possibilities are 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3, 6 2. These are the chances for sum 8. But since it is indistinguishable, so 2 6 and 6 2 both are same. Okay, and 3 5 5 3 both are same. Okay, it can be considered as a single event only. So number of possible ways are, for 2 6 and 6 2 it will be considered as one event, that is one. For 3 5 and 5 3 will take it as one event, and 4 4 is the other event. Totally there will be three chances. So next one, product rule. If S1, S2 and so on Sn are non-empty sets, then the number of elements in the Cartesian product S1 cross S2 and so on cross Sn is cardinality of S1 into cardinality of S2 and so on cardinality of Sn. Cardinality means number of elements. Okay. Now let us see example 4. So there are two distinguishable dice rolled. So in how many ways they fall? Okay, so distinguishable dice means they are of different colors. So what are the, how many chances will be there? Okay, so when two dice are rolled, the chances are, they can be 1 1 1 2 and so on 1 6, and 2 1 2 2 and so on 2 6. The other chances are 3 1 3 2 and so on 3 6 and so on 6 1 6 2 6 6. Okay, the total number of chances are 36. Okay, so since two dice are thrown, for the first dice the number of ways is 61, and for the second dice the number of chances are 61. So total there will be 61 into 61 chances. It will be 6 into 6, that is 6 square chances. Okay, in the next question, so 5 dice are rolled. So 5 distinguishable dice are rolled, that means 5 dice of different color. So how many ways they fall? Okay, so for first die there will be 6 chances. It can be 1 or 2 and so on 6. So for first dice there will be 6 chances. For second dice 6 chances, and so on. For the fifth dice there will be 6 chances. So it will be product of 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Totally there will be 6 power 5 chances. Okay, now 100 distinguishable dice are rolled. In how many ways they fall? Okay, 100 dice are there. For the first dice there will be 6 chances, that is from 1 2 3 4 5 6. For the second dice also there will be 6 chances, and so on. For the 100th dice also there will be 6 chances. The total number of ways they fall is 6 power 100. Okay, so the next question, in a state they want to make a number plate with three English letters and four digits. Okay, the first question is, in how many different in how many different ways the plate can be manufactured if the repetition of the digits and letters are allowed. Okay, so they want to make number plate in the order. The first three must be English letters and the next four must be digits. Okay, this is the order. First three must be English letters, next four is digits. Okay, in the first question, repetition is allowed. So what are the possible ways to make the number plate? Okay, totally you need to fill four blanks. Out of them, first three are English letters, next four are digits. Okay, so you take the first blank. For the first blank, it should be filled with English letter. There are 26 English letters. So for the first place, for the first blank, there are 26 chances. Since repetition is allowed, the second place is also alphabet. For the second blank also you have 26 chances, and third blank is also filled with alphabet. For the third also, since repetition is allowed, for the third place also 26 chances. Okay, the fourth place to seventh place you need to fill with digit. Okay, so the digits are 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so there are 10 digits are there. Okay, so for the place 4, for the fourth blank you need to fill with a digit. The number of chances are 10. Okay, so for the fifth place again you need to fill with a digit. Since repetition is allowed, for the fifth place number of chances are 10. Okay, and for the sixth place again it is a digit, 10 chances, and for the seventh place it is also a digit, it has 10 chances. Okay, so for the first place it should be filled with alphabet, 26 chances. For the second place also alphabet, 26. Third place is also alphabet, 26. Fourth place is digit, 10 chances. Fifth place is digit, 10 chances. Sixth place is digit, 10 chances, and seventh place is also digit, it is also having 10 chances. So according to product rule, so the number of possible ways are 26 into 26 into 26 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So this is the number of ways for preparing a number plate where repetition of digits and letters are allowed. And the answer is 26 cube into 10 power 4. So in the same question now they are asking you can you can repeat letters but not digits. Okay, if the letters are repeated and digits are not repeated, then how many possible ways are there? Okay, so letters are repeating, first three places are letters, so first place 26, second place 26, third place is 26, and digits are not repeating. For the fourth place it is a digit, 10 chances. Since there is no repetition for digit, fifth place is a digit, so you have only 9 chances. Okay, then sixth place is also digit, you have only 8 chances. Seventh place is also digit, you have only 7 chances. Okay, the total number of ways and under this category is 26 into 26 into 26, they are for letters, into for the digits it is 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. Okay, it is 26 cube into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. In the third question, so they're allowing to repeat digits but not letters. Okay, so letters are not repeated here. So first place chance 26, second place 25, third place 24. Okay, fourth place is a digit, 10 chances. Fifth place is a digit, 10 chances. Sixth place is also 10. Seventh place is also 10. So it will be 26 into 25 into 24 into 10 to the power 4 when letters are not repeated and digits are repeated. So the last question, so letters cannot be repeated and digits also cannot be repeated, then find the number of favorable chances. So letters are not repeated here and digits also not repeated. So first place is letter, 26 chances. Second place is letter, 25 chances. Third place is letter, 24 chances. Fourth place is digit, 10 chances. Fifth place is digit, 9 chances. Sixth place is digit, 8 chances. Seventh place is digit, 7 chances. Total the number of possible ways are, it will be 26 into 25 into 24 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 when there is no repetition for digits and letters. So this is the practice problem. In how many ways 3-digit number can be formed using the digits 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Okay. In the same question, the next part is how many can be formed if no digit is repeated. Okay. Next one. How many different license plates there there that involve one letter or two letter or three letter followed by four digits? Okay. So the question is saying that one letter with four digits or two letter with four digits or three letter with four digits. Okay. And in the second part, how many different plates are there that involve one letter with one digit, one letter with two digit, one letter with three digit, one letter with four digit, and two letter with one digit, two letter with two digit, two letter with three digit, two letter with three four digit, and three letter with one digit, three letter with two digit, three letter with three digit, and three letter with four digits. Okay, how many different plates can be formed? And then the next question, how many two digit or three digit number can be formed using the digits 1 3 4 5 6 and 9 if no repetition is allowed? And in the second part, how many numbers can be formed using the digits 1 3 4 5 6 8 9 if no repetition is allowed? Thank you.